sir, for my reflections and listen to about the material self and choose the topic body in these reflections. I'll be sharing my thoughts on how our body resp- representing how are the way it's important to take care of it. For me, the body is the one of the most important part of the materials self because it's the represent how we are in the physical worlds. According to William James, the material self, including everything we physically purposes and our body is the most personal part of it. It's the vessel of allow to use to experience life, to feel, to move, and to connect with others. I've realized that taking care of my body is not just about looking good, but about showing self-respect and self-love. When I eat healthy, get enough rest, and stay active, I'm not just maintaining my appearance, but also taking care of my overall well-being. Our body reflects how we worlds ourselves and its deserve care and applications. However, I also understand that my worth is just based on physical appearance. The body might change over time, but the truly matters is how we use it to help others to grow and to express our inner self in body and my body is not just positions, but I remind that I am alive, incredible, and worth it of the love and respect. Thank you, sir.